안녕하세요. Hey guys, this is Kim 선생님 from Teacher Kim's Korean class. This is the third video of my Korean alphabet curriculum. We studied basic 8 vowels in the previous video. If you missed a lesson, I strongly recommend you to watch it through the link above before you try this lesson. Today I'm gonna start talking about consonant. How to write, how to pronounce the consonant. Before we begin, I would like to let you know free writing material is available. I will put a link in the description for that. You can print it out, and when I introduce each consonant and ask you to write your own handwriting, you can just pause the video and try to do your own handwriting on the material. Got it? Okay, let's get started. We will start from this dotted square. We will learn 4 consonants today, and they are all in this square. You will get to know what I mean. Okay, first, if I draw following the dotted line and make a square, that is the first consonant. Its sound is the same as English alphabet M, M, M. You know, when we pronounce English alphabet M, our nose is vibrated. It is nasal sound. Do you know what I mean? If I say mom, the first M is ma, 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 and final M sounds like You can feel your nose is vibrated. That is nasal sound. Korean consonant M is also nasal sound. Just think this consonant M is exactly the same as English alphabet M. Okay? This consonant symbolizes our lips when you pronounce M. M. Looks like square. M. So, what happened when consonant M meet basic vowels? You know, when I introduce basic vowels, I put little circle with them to make a syllable. So now I remove the circle from the syllable. Instead, I put consonant M with them. Look at the first one. Consonant M meet vowel A, M-A, M-A. If I read it quickly, that is ma, ma. Got it? And look at the next one. Consonant M meet vowel O, M-O, M-O. If I read quickly, that is mo, mo, mo. You get the idea. How about that? Consonant M meet vowel O, M-O, M-O. So that is mo, mo. In the same way, they are mu, me, me, the same sounds vowels, mi, mu. Again, ma, mo, mo, mu, me, me, mi, mu. Well done, guys. And the order of writing consonant M is write a vertical line or left first, and draw a horizontal line and curve the line in one stroke. And then draw another horizontal line at the bottom to make a square. Now it is your turn to do your own handwriting on the writing material. Good. Let's move on to the next consonant. Second consonant is this. This consonant is drawn the left side and the bottom of the square. Its sound is the same as English alphabet N. You know, English alphabet N sounds like N or N if it is final. And as you guess, it is also a nasal sound. That is exactly the same, easy consonant, N or N. This consonant symbolizes the tongue shape when you pronounce N. Okay, let's put N sounds to the basic vowels. First one, N sounds meet A. N, A, N, A. Read it quickly, that is na, na. And how about this character? Consonant N meet vowel O. N-O, N-O. So you can read it no. In the same way, they are no, nu, ne, ne, ni, n. Again, na, no, no, nu, ne, ne, ni, n. Good. When you write consonant N, draw a line top to bottom and turn right in one stroke. Now it's your turn. Write your own handwriting on the writing material. Well done. Let's move on to the next consonant. Next consonant is that. This consonant is drawn on the top and right side of the square, and it sounds like G. G. This consonant symbol is from your tongue shape when you pronounce G sound. You know, when you pronounce G sound is from the point where back of your tongue meets soft part of the palate. So King Sejong symbolized the tongue shape for making this consonant G. Writing G is also simple. Draw a line left to right and turn down in one stroke. Some people write it this way. That is also G. Both are okay. So I will put consonant G to the basic vowels. First one, G sound meet A. G, A, G, A. If I read it quickly, that is Ka, Ka. And look at the next one. G sound meet O. G, O, G, O. So we read this character Ko, Ko. In the same way, Go, Gu, Ke, Ke, Ki, K. Again, Ka, Ko, Ko, Gu, Ke, Ke, Ki, K. That is third consonant. Now, try to do your own handwriting on the writing material. Let's move on to the last consonant for today. You know, this consonant has the top, left side, and the bottom side of the square. It sounds like T, T. Maybe some of you think it's like English alphabet T or D or DH, but that is not important because sometimes Korean alphabet and English alphabet doesn't match it exactly. So just focus on how to pronounce the consonant. To pronounce this sound, your tip should be attached to the gum behind upper teeth and release the air smoothly. T, T, T. Okay, as you see the picture, that mouth shape is symbolized for consonant T. I will put this sound to the basic vowels. First one, consonant D meet vowel A. T, A, T, A. If I read it quickly, that is Ta, Ta. Okay? And next one, this sound meet vowel O. T, O, To. In the same way, they are To, Tu, Te, Te, same sounds vowels, T, T. Again, Ta, To, To, Tu, Te, Te, T, T. Well done, guys. Now I'm explaining how to write this consonant. Draw a horizontal line on top, and from the left end of the line, make another line to the bottom and turn right in one stroke. Can you try to do your own handwriting on the writing material? Good on you guys. Let's quick review what we learned today. We learned 4 consonants today, and I put the consonant to the basic vowels. Try to read all the characters we learned today. Are you ready? That is Ma, Mo, Mo, Mu, Me, Me, Mi, M. Next consonant, Na, No, No, Nu, Ne, Ne, Ni, N. Good. Next one, Ka, Ko, Ko, Ku, 개, 개, 기, 그. And next one, 다, 더, 도, 두, 대, 대, 디, 드. That's all for today. You guys are doing very well. We will learn more consonants in the next video. If the lesson is helpful for you, if so, give you a thumb up. And if you want to learn the Korean language with me, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. 감사합니다.